If you're searching for the best crossover steering kit for Chevy 10-bolt, the EWO Chevy 10-bolt crossover steering kit is built specifically for serious off-road builds. This complete crossover high steer kit is designed as a Dana 44 crossover steering setup and works perfectly for Chevy 10-bolt steering upgrades, lifted trucks, and hardcore trail rigs. Whether you're building a Chevy K5 Blazer crossover steering kit setup, a square body trail rig, or doing a solid axle swap steering kit for Chevy, this system delivers serious steering strength and reliability. At the center of the kit is the EWO Dana 44 machined knuckle, precision engineered with a bottom-up taper machined knuckle Dana 44 design. This improves steering geometry and helps eliminate bump steer on lifted Chevy trucks. The kit includes 1.25-inch thick billet block steering arms, machined in-house from domestic billets to ensure maximum durability. These heavy-duty arms are designed for Chevy 3/4-ton tie rod steering kit applications and pair perfectly with GM 1-ton tie rod upgrades for extreme off-road performance. For strength and reliability, this Chevy 10-bolt high steer kit includes metal-to-metal tie rod ends and a heavy-duty DOM tubing drag link kit measuring 43 inches by 1.5 inches with .250 wall thickness. The drag link system includes premium components like the ES2026R drag link end and ES2027L drag link end, providing smooth steering movement and durability under extreme off-road stress. You'll also get heavy-duty Dana 9/16-inch studs, conical washers, and lock nuts to secure the steering arms, along with metal-on-metal upper and lower ball joints for Dana 44 applications. To complete the system, the kit includes a 3-inch drop-forged pitman arm with 32 splines, fully indexable for proper alignment. This setup is perfect for anyone looking for a Dana 44 high steer kit with 3-inch drop pitman arm. The kit also includes 7/8 18 tube adapters, weld bungs, and jam nuts, making it a complete solution for fabricators and off-road builders. This 4x4 crossover steering Dana 44 system works as a full off-road steering correction kit designed to improve steering angles, reduce bump steer, and provide better control on lifted trucks running large tires. Please note, like most crossover steering kits requiring a 2WD steering box, you will need a 2WD steering box for proper installation. If you're building a serious off-road rig and need heavy-duty steering kit for Chevy off-road trucks, the EWO steering kit is one of the strongest Chevy 10-bolt off-road steering parts upgrades available today. Upgrade your steering, eliminate bump steer, and build a stronger off-road Chevy.